disease that I'll be doing is maple syrup urine disease, which is abbreviated by MSUD. Who it affects is mainly infants. The disorder occurs much frequently in the Old Order Mennonite population. 1 in 185,000 are affected, and in the older Mennonite population, it affects 1 in 380 newborns. What is involved is mutations in the BCKDHA, BCKDHB, and DBT genes that cause maple syrup urine disease. These three genes provide instructions for making proteins that work together as part of a complex. The protein complex is essential for breaking down the amino acids leucine, isoleucine, and valine, which are present in many kinds of foods, particularly in protein-rich foods such as milk, meat, and eggs. Mutations in any of these three genes reduce or eliminate the functions of the protein complex, preventing normal breakdown of leucine, isoleucine, and valine. As a result, these amino acids and their byproducts build up in the body because high levels of these substances are toxic to the brain and other organisms. Their accumulation leads to serious health problems associated with maple syrup urine disease. Researchers are studying other genes related to the same protein complexes that may also be associated with maple syrup urine disease. The symptoms typically are lethargy, poor appetite, weight loss, weak sucking ability, irritability, a distinct maple odor in the earwax, sweat, or urine, irregular sleep patterns, alternating episodes of hypertonia and hypotonia, and a high-pitched cry. The diagnostic tests used for this are every state in the United States test infants for the maple syrup urine disease as part of their newborn screening program. This is a blood test that screens for more than 30 different disorders. Genetic testing can confirm if you possess one of the malformed genes that cause the disease during pregnancy. Your physician can use samples obtained by chronic villus sampling, or CVS, or amniocentesis to diagnose your baby. The prognosis is all forms of this disease are inherited by your parents. The 4 varieties of MSUD are caused by mutations or changes in the genes that are related to the BCKDC enzymes. When these genes are defective, the enzymes aren't produced or don't work properly. These gene mutations are inherited on the chromosomes you receive from your parents. The treatments typically they involve IV administration of amino acids that don't contain BCAAs and combined with glucose for extra calories. Your physician will create a long-term plan for your child with MSUD in conjunction with a metabolic specialist and a dietitian. The goal of the treatment is basically to provide your child with all the protein and nutrients for healthy growth